how to make money from cryptocurrency. And that's one of the buzzing word today, like how you can make money from Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and other avenues. Well, in this video, I'm going to answer some of those questions, will help you to understand different ways you can make money from the crypto. Before that, I'm your host, Harsh Agrawal, and I run a very popular cryptocurrency blog called CoinSutra. It's a community of cryptocurrency users around the globe, and we get more than 2 million visits. Well, with that, let me quickly get on the point. So the very first way you can start making money from crypto is by holding. You invest on the good coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Monero, the coins which have a good fundamental use case and something that will keep growing over the time. Now, one way to start using them is you just buy the coin and hold them for, let's say, 6 months or a year or two. Now, when you hold it, you should also take profit out. We'll talk about that in a while. Now, let's look at the second factor, and that is trading. So remember, in the first point I said you should hold the coin, but at the same time, now any coin which is going up does not go up like this. It always go up down like this. So you can always, sell the high and buy the dip. That's the theory. If you understand, if you have a fundamental knowledge about technical analysis, or even if you're watching the crypto industry or you are aware of what's happening, you will be able to understand when is the right time to buy and when is the right time to sell. So the first one is holding, the second one is trading. Now third one is investing in the ICOs, which is also known as initial coin offering. It's basically a new way for the companies to generate fund from the public. It's basically crowdsourcing the fund. Now, when I say ICO, you need to be very careful. You need to do your due diligence to invest in the right ICOs. And that because like any other industry, when a new technology come into the place or a new industry is growing, and a lot of scammer also jumps in and try to take money from innocent people. So you need to do your due diligence and be careful when you invest in the ICO. Fourth is mining. Now mining is a very profitable avenue. However, let's say you want to mine Bitcoin, it's not the same the way it used to be few years back. When you want to mine Bitcoin, you need to have a lot of resources in terms of GPUs, in terms of way to maintain the heating. But then, if not Bitcoin, there are many other cryptocurrencies that you can mine. You can read about mining on our blog CoinSutra. Apart from mining, another way is by creating a masternode. So masternode is kind of mining, but it's way different than that. It may be wrong to call it mining, but from a layman understanding, a miner not only generate coin, but they also validate a transaction. Similarly, masternodes are something where you create a masternode by putting some coin for certain time. For example, Dash, they have a masternode requirement for 1000 Dash, which is a lot right now. But until last year or 1.5 years back, it was $2. So in $2,000, you could create a masternode. And with masternode, you earn coin every day or every week, depending on the payout they have. As well as if you're investing on a good coin and creating a masternode, the value of the coin also appreciate. So masternode is another avenue that you should definitely look at. Now you need to be careful with the masternode because since it's a known method, a lot of scammers have also come up with their coin and calling it a masternode, which works for some time and they are giving you, a lot of return, like more than 50-60% within a week. So you need to be careful. Apart from masternode, another thing is staking. So one difference between a masternode and staking in general is they are very closely interrelated. However, the major difference is you need to keep your masternode online. So basically you buy a VPS from a hosting site and then that's where you host your masternode, but you keep your coin on your wallet, so it's kind of safe. Whereas in staking, you just keep a coin on a wallet for a specific period of time and they have a minimum amount of coin that you need to keep, and that's where you earn kind of dividend. Well, Komodo is a good example for that, and there are many others, so you need to find which one you want to use. Another avenue is lending. So let's say you have few Bitcoin and either you keep it on your wallet or you can lend it to other people, and in that case you kind of earn certain kind of percentage rate. So basically when you lend, you decide on what rate you want to lend, you earn that money. I mean, it's basically letting your Bitcoin sit idle. You can actually lend it and make money. Bitfinex is a very good website for that. However, you need to do your due diligence and find all other possibilities. Well, another few things are airdrops. So let's say if you are holding Bitcoin since 2014 or 15, a lot of airdrop has happened for Bitcoin. For example, Bitcoin Gold, Bcash, a few other things. So those airdrops are free coins which comes to coin holder. Now, another thing you need to be careful here. These are the avenues which I told you. I'll just do a quick recap. Holding, trading, invest in the ICOs, Masternode, staking, and airdrop. While these are the methods, but you need to understand that cryptocurrency market is all online and it's all technical. And a lot of scammers are out there. Don't just look at the website, a good looking website that, okay, this is a good website, I should invest here. Don't do that. Do your due diligence, read, research. You can also look at CoinSutra.com where we do the fundamental analysis of a lot of good coins to help you understand who are the people behind it, what is that they are trying to accomplish, and should you invest or not. Well, with that, I hope this actually give you a guidance on what are the different avenues of making money from the crypto. And if you have any other question, feel free to ask us in the comment section below. If you like this video, do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. This is Harsh.